Welcome everyone to a quick little video. So today we're going to be explaining Gauss's trick. This is also, you could call it the sum of the first n consecutive natural numbers. And for those who do not remember natural numbers, it is 1, 2, 3, basically up to infinity. It is increasing by 1, starting at 1, going up to infinity. Those are natural numbers. Now Gauss's trick is, how can we sum a number for, let's just say 4 for example. If we were to sum all natural numbers from 1 to 4, that will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. How do we do it quickly? This is a quick little formula, this over here, to quickly calculate that. But now what is the intuition behind this formula? It basically uses a grouping method. So here we have a number line and I'm going to explain it using 6. So n is 6. Over here I'm going to get to the formula now, but let's just quickly try and group them. So we could go about the repetitive action of 1 plus 2 plus 3, but what about if we group them? We take the smallest number and we take the largest number and then we add them together. So let's say 1 plus 6, 7. We take the second smallest number, which means that it increases by 1, and we take the second largest number, which means it decreases by 1. So the net amount will stay 7 because increasing and decreasing, they just cancel out basically. So we have 2 plus 5, and that will give us another 7. Same concept, increase by 1, decrease by 1, and we have 3 plus 4 equals 7. As you can see, we are adding these numbers, so we get 7. If we add all these 7s together, we will get the sum of all these numbers, because it's basically just taking 2 of them out and getting a new result. So if we say 7 plus 7 plus 7, or 7 times 3, we get 21. As you can see, we have 3 groups. N over 2, 6 divided by 2 is 3 groups. So this you could consider your n over 2. Now why is it n over 2? It is because we are taking 2 numbers out for each group. Each group has a pair of numbers, which means that the amount of numbers that you're taking out each time is 2, and so you will eventually get to only 3. And over here 7 is n plus 1. So this is your n plus 1. Sorry for the terrible writing. The reason for this is because we're starting with a 1. Now I just want to quickly make a disclaimer. You cannot use this with whole numbers where it starts with 0. That will require a little bit of extra work, which I might explain in a future video. As you can see, it will always amount to 7. So we have n over 2 groups of that all result to n plus 1. So we can just take the amount of groups there are, 3, times it by the result that they have, 7, and we will get the answer, which is 21. Odd numbers also work, and I'm just going to explain this real quick with a 3. So we have 1, 2, 3. As you can see, that will result in 6, because 3, 6. Now, if we say n over 2, that will give us 1.5 times n plus 1. Yeah, sorry about that. And n plus 1 is 4, because 3 plus 1, 4. So that is times 4. 1.5 times 4 equals 6. So it works with odd numbers as well. And this is the main intuition, is the grouping method that is used. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.